Hello friends. So today we will study about some important facts about preamble and we will also study whether the preamble can be amended or not. So as you know that preamble is a part of constitution and it is just a precursor you can say to the constitution. So preamble contains the ideals like ideals of secularism, idea of socialism, democracy. So these type of ideals, equality. So on which our constitution is based. So the basis of our constitution is actually contained in the preamble. So preamble contains the soul of the constitution, as you can see. I think you must remember the preamble. I'll reiterate or I'll just have a quick mention of preamble in detail. So, we the people of India, having constituted India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic, and to secure to all its citizens um justice, liberty, justice, social, economic and political, liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith, and worship, fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual, and equality of status and opportunity, equality of status and opportunity. We this 26 November 1949 we do hereby adopt, enact and give to ourselves this constitution. So we have given this constitution on 26 November 1949. So this is a basic mention of preamble. This is preamble. You must remember the preamble. We'll discuss all the all the objectives or all the ideas enshrined in preamble in detail in the next coming lecture. But today we will discuss some important facts about preamble. So preamble, as you know, is very much part of our constitution. Preamble is neither a source of power to legislature nor a prohibition upon the powers of legislature. So it neither defines any power which gives any authority to legislature, nor it puts any restriction on the powers of legislature. It is non-justiciable, which means its provisions are not enforceable in court of law. That means if any of the provision has been violated by the present government or any of the private party, you cannot approach the court that this particular provision of preamble has been violated. So it is non-justiciable. In the Keshwanand Bharti case, the Supreme Court held that preamble is a part of constitution. In the LIC of India case also, the Supreme Court again held that preamble is an integral part of the constitution. So preamble is very much part of our constitution. That is reiterated by Supreme Court in Keshwanand Bharti case and reiterated again in LIC of India case 1995. Now, whether the preamble can be amended or not, in the historic Keshavanand Bharti case 1973, SC held that preamble can be amended subject to the condition that no amendment is done to the basic features. So you cannot amend the basic features, but you can amend the preamble. So preamble has been amended in 1976 by the then Indira Gandhi government, in which three keywords were added in the preamble. That is socialist, secular, and integrity. सो दीज थ्री कीवर्ड्स वर एडेड. सो सोशलिस्ट सेकुलर ऐड किया गया था. मैंने आपको बताया भी, दी पीपल ऑफ इंडिया कंस्टिट्यूट इंडिया इनटू सोशलिस्ट सेकुलर सोवरन सोशलिस्ट सेकुलर डेमोक्रेटिक रिपब्लिक. तो सोवरन सोशलिस्ट एंड सेकुलर, ये सोशलिस्ट में सेकुलर ऐड किया गया. और उसके बाद लिबर्टी ऑफ थॉट, एक्सप्रेशन, बिलीफ, फेथ एंड वर्शिप, फ्रेटर्निटी अश्योरिंग द डिग्निटी ऑफ द इंडिविजुअल एंड यूनिटी एंड इंटीग्रिटी ऑफ द नेशन. तो वो यूनिटी एंड इंटीग्रिटी वहाँ पे ऐड किया गया. तो ये ऐड किया गया है. जो क्वेश्चन भारती में साफ साफ बोला था सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने कि अमेंड किया जा सकता है, बट आप हटा नहीं सकते, यानी कि सोवरन सोशलिस्ट सेकुलर डेमोक्रेटिक रिपब्लिक, इनमें से कोई भी कीवर्ड आप हटा नहीं सकते। ऐड करना चाहते कर दीजिए, बट ये क्योंकि बेसिक पार्ट ऑफ कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन है, बेसिक स्ट्रक्चर का पार्ट है, so you cannot remove any of the keyword in from the preamble. In other words, the code held that the basic elements of the fundamental features of the constitution as contained in the preamble cannot be altered by an amendment under article 368. So basic structure आप amend नहीं कर सकते, वैसे आप amend कर सकते हैं preamble को. So this is all about simple, 2 slide lecture on preamble. In next lecture we will study some detail, we'll see these keywords in detail. Okay, till then, thank you so much. And if you like my lecture, kindly like it, and do not forget to share the lecture, and do not forget to subscribe my channel, and always press the notification button and bell icon. Thank you very much.